Introducing 24/7 CCTV security camera installation in Bangalore by Yendra. Looking for a trusted CCTV installation service in Bangalore? Look no further than Yendra. Your safety is our top priority. With a 100% success rate in all our projects, we've built a reputation for delivering unparalleled security solutions to our clients. Our team of professionals works round the clock, ensuring seamless surveillance and absolute protection for your homes and businesses. We offer an extensive range of security cameras to cater to your unique needs, be it indoor, outdoor, or discrete systems. But we don't stop at installation. Our commitment extends to maintenance and prompt service with a swift response to all your queries. Secure your premises with Yendra, the ultimate choice for CCTV security installation in Bangalore. Sleep safe knowing we're watching over you.